Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two top-notch robot vacuum and mop combos. The Shark AI Ultra 2" 1 Robot Vacuum and Mop and the Roomba Combo J5. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Shark AI Ultra 2" 1 Robot Vacuum and Mop is priced at $699, while the Roomba Combo J5 comes in at $599. Both are on the higher end of the price spectrum, but the Roomba Combo J5 offers similar features at a slightly lower price point. When it comes to cleaning performance, both products excel. The Shark AI Ultra 2" 1 Robot Vacuum and Mop boasts incredible suction power and Sonic Mopping. With its Matrix Clean technology, it delivers 30% better carpet cleaning compared to the Roomba Combo J5. However, the Roomba Combo J5's 4-stage cleaning system ensures powerful pickup of dirt, debris, and pet hair from any surface. Now let's talk about smart features. The Shark AI Ultra 2" 1 Robot Vacuum and Mop offers precision home mapping with its 360 degrees lidar vision, allowing it to quickly and accurately map your home. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 comes with advanced navigation and the ability to create no mop zones using the iRobot Home app. It also knows to avoid objects and even your pet's waste. Convenience is key when it comes to robot vacuums. The Shark AI Ultra 2" 1 Robot Vacuum and Mop has a self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris. It also features Recharge and Resume, which allows the robot to automatically recharge and continue cleaning where it left off. The Roomba Combo J5 is compatible with the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal, offering up to 60 days of worry-free vacuuming. For those of you with furry friends, both products are designed to handle pet messes. The Shark AI Ultra 2" 1 Robot Vacuum and Mop's powerful suction, Sonic Mopping, and self-cleaning brush roll make it perfect for homes with pets. The Roomba Combo J5 also excels in this category, and it even comes with the pet owner official promise, ensuring it steers clear of your pet's waste. After comparing the Shark AI Ultra 2" 1 Robot Vacuum and Mop and the Roomba Combo J5 in different categories, it's clear that both products have their strengths. The Shark AI Ultra 2" 1 Robot Vacuum and Mop offers incredible cleaning performance and advanced features like precision home mapping. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 provides powerful performance, smart navigation, and pet-friendly features at a slightly more affordable price. Ultimately, the choice between these two robot vacuum and mop combos depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart.